welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. And today I come to you with my monthly subscription. This is the Tonic craft kit. I'm just cutting it open. I normally have it done, but I've been busy today. Alright, so I'm taking it out of its packaging, plastic packaging. The monthly kit. Yes, honey. Let's see what we got this month. And I need this. Oh, Lord. I thought I cut it. I didn't. I just took it out of the packaging, dog. Okay. They have it sealed up so well. Cut off the little plastic pieces. All right. Here we go. Hello. Let's see. Ooh. First thing I see is, let's move this to the side. Uh-oh. Did I move my camera? Let me see. Let me make sure. Okay, good. First thing I see in the kit is an aqua shimmer. I don't think I have one of these. I think the other ones are the aqua flow if I've had any. Oh, yes. I've been wanting to try this, so this would be cool. I think you have to undo this. Take that little piece off. And then you just twist it till it pops on. All the way down. There we go. Aqua shimmer, and it says opal quartz. So let's get a piece of paper and let's just draw on it and see what happens. Try to fit. Oh. Hold on, made it rip. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, that's a lot of sparkle. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's clear. So anything you put this on will make it sparkle. Yes, honey. So that's going in the jar right there because I like to have that handy. All right. Let's see what else we got in this month. We got something in the way right here. All right. So let's go through the papers. Let me see if I can find. Y'all know it comes. Okay, there. Is that it? Nope. That's the advertisement. Here it is. What's in the kit? I like to go to the papers first and then everything else. So I know it comes in that awesome folder that you can store your projects in if you want to. Look at this paper. Oh, we got bright colors. All right, so this is the Flower Power gift box. Okay, so we haven't seen the die yet, but let's look at these beautiful papers. All right, so this one, I'm trying to see where's the name of it. All right, let's skip that because I don't know the name of that one. All right, so this one is the classic card Marigold Yellow. Marigold Yellow. Then we have classic card Apricot Orange. Apricot Orange. Classic card Fuchsia Pink. Ooh, we got a lot of, what you call it card? Pearlescent card. All right, then we got Smooth card. Ooh, this is the 200 GSM, so I think that's equivalent to a 110 pound. And we got 2 of those. I love constructing things with these. Those Smooth card, we got 2 of those, 300 GSM. Then we have, they calling it Mirror card, but I think it's a satin mirror card, and it says Smooth Mint. I think this is the satin mirror card. I think that's what that is. Then we have Pearlescent Fresh Mint. Beautiful, lots of mints. Pearlescent Blushing Pink. This is a beautiful color palette. Satin Mirror Card Burnished Rose. And this one is called, ooh, this is the Flower Power Patterned Sheets. That's what these are. And you get 2. So it's just reverse. Okay. So I'm just showing both. Double-sided. I love this. They need to come out with more paper like this. So the cardstocks, we can do something with the cardstock matching the papers. I love it. This feels a little bit thinner than the cardstock, but it's still thicker than normal, you know, not that little thin cardstock that we get sometimes. But that is the paper collection for this month. Then let's go to the Nouveau bag. Let's see what kind of Nouveau stuff we got this time. Yes. Oh, yes. I love, this is my favorite adhesive, so I am so glad when they send this in the kits. I think this should come standard in the kit. You know, your adhesive come in the kit because you're trying to put a kit together. This should come standard, but I love when we get a free bottle. Yes. Yes, honey, yes. Oh, this is the first time I've gotten this. This is ivory white double satin, 5mm by 3mm. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Oh my gosh. And you know when you get white, you can dye it with your inks. So I love that they gave us that so that we can if we want to. And I've been wanting to try their ribbon. So I am so glad of that. I like thin ribbon like that too. They fit in lots of tiny little spaces on your project. All right, so let's get into what these are. Just cut it and see. All right, so this is a mister. This is a sparkle spray, and it's called Strawberry Ice. Look at that beautiful color. Strawberry Ice sparkle spray. I'm going to see if I have this one. This one says Peach Sherbet, and it is a translucent jewel drop. I think I have this one. I like to leave them in their packages to gift them. This one is glitter, and this one is called Pure Sheen Glitter Candy Pink. Candy Pink. Y'all know I already have tons of glitter, so I will leave that one in there too, but I think I have this one as well. And then for the embellishing mousse, this color is Spring Green. I don't know if I have this one yet, but I think I do. As I'm looking, I think I do have this one. So that'll be another great gift to give someone so they can try. I'm not sure, but I'll have to look and see if I have that one. As I'm looking back, I think I do see that one. Now that I'm looking, let's see. No, that's a little bit different green, but that's okay. We shall see. All right, so we got those Nouveau. Let's put these back in the box and let's get to the die. All right. It's called, again, Flower Power Gift Box. Flower Power Gift Box. Absolutely love it. I've been putting them on the front. And y'all know I keep them in my little binder that they send. Here is the stamp set that goes with it. These are some beautiful tiny words. I miss you. You're the best. Congrats, Bloom. Look at this little tree branch that you could add leaves onto. Or is that veining? That might be veining. 3 little hearts. Blessings to you. Thank you so much. I love you. Keep smiling. And I love this little frame right here, the leaf frame. Look at these. So pretty. So let's look at the die set, guys. Woo! And it came with instructions. Yes! That looks like the panels. So let's look. Okay. It's on a plastic sheet to keep them aligned. There are your instructions. Let's turn it over so we can see it. Oh, yeah. So you can do the veins on there. See how I just overlaid these petal? If you want to do some veins. That is so pretty. Got tags. There are decorative layers, different decorative layers on the inside, as well as the second. So there are another layer here. So there's all the way around the petal. This one is stitched. This one is dotted. OMG. Look at this cute box. Top. More tags. That probably fits this maybe. What do you think? No. Leaves. I love that they put 2 different types of leaves to add. And then on this sheet are your panels. Okay, there we go. I was wondering where that one went. Awesome. Got the little square. These are the side panels, and there are 2 different sizes. I think these 2, no, that's 3 sizes. I'm looking at the tabs. That is bigger, and then this is the largest. So there's 3 different sizes you can make. And I love that they have the different stitching, dotted, regular on the tops. I think they can interchange, but I don't know. These can't because this is taller. So you will have to use that one with it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to play with this one. This one's cute. So that is my kit for this month, my monthly Tonic craft kit. Y'all let me know what you think. Did y'all get this kit? Have you created with it yet? This is so cute. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.